Students in a civic class read about the lives of past presidents and are tested on the material. For each of the following scenarios, select yes if it transforms the learning activity into one that involves knowledge construction according to the 21 CLD knowledge construction rubric. Otherwise, select no. Okay, in knowledge construction, this happens when students do more than reproduce what they have learned. They go beyond knowledge reproduction to generate ideas and understanding that are new to them. So the skill required here is just critical thinking. So the students are just to interpret, and they are to analyze, they are to synthesize or evaluate information or ideas. So the activity of this knowledge construction just about critical thinking. So they are not just to reproduce the information that is given to them or what they have learned, but they are just to go beyond the knowledge reproduction to generate the ideas or understanding that are new to them. So let's look at this one after the other. So the educator assigned each student a different president to research. The students are to write a poem about their assigned president using techniques recently taught in their English class. Okay, this one has to do with knowledge construction. So using the knowledge they have gained in a previous class, then they have to apply it in a new um, setting. Okay, so students research the purpose and function of the Electoral College and construct a mock presidential election where a candidate wins without the popular vote. Okay, this one as well is about knowledge construction. It's about knowledge construction. So students memorize the name and portrait of each president. Students play a matching game to reinforce their learning. This is not knowledge construction. So they are not applying it, or they are not they are just reproducing the knowledge. So they are not going beyond the knowledge. They are gain, or they are not generating any new idea or new information or understanding or something that is new to them. So that is no. Each student is assigned to read a biography on a president of their choice. The student must then write a book report using Microsoft Word. No, this not this does not have to do with knowledge construction, because they are not going beyond the knowledge they have gained, or they are not doing more than uh, reproduce what they have learned. So they must go, when it comes to knowledge construction, it happens when students do more than reproduce what they have learned. So they go beyond knowledge reproduction, rather, to generate ideas and understanding that are new to them. So they are just to analyze, they are to interpret, to analyze, to synthesize, and evaluate information or idea. So this has to do with critical thinking. Okay, so that is done. So correct.